to figure out the OSMO. I can't figure it out. I just can't. Not this morning I can't. So anyway, there we go. Dead random. Yes. Hey, this is Dad Random, and the OSMO. Where does it belong? Where does it stand? Where can you put that device with all the other devices that you're supposed to have as a vlogger? And that's really where I see the problem. It's just kind of like anything that. When things are kind of weird or wrong, they're confusing, and this one is kind of confusing. So, is the OSMO? Is it is it a vlogging camera? Is it an action camera? Are you trying to get quality out of it, or are you trying to create action shots with it? That's really where I think a lot of my confusion basically read. I guess I'm not going to convince anybody of whether to buy or not buy the OSMO Pocket, which is really not my concern. But what I really want us to do is to think a little bit about our purchases and our excitement over it, and maybe just slow everybody down. Let's get some reviews. Let's hear some facts. Let's see some real comparisons. Okay. Well, I guess if you have to buy the OSMO, of course enjoy it, and I'm sure you will. But remember, when you put it up on eBay, I'm going to bid half price for it. That's kind of one of my rants today. As I walk in the rain, yes, this is not an action camera, and I am walking in the rain, but guys, the iPhone can do it. You guys that want to go and get the OSMO Pocket, go buy it. Tell me how it is. And when you get done using it, sell it on eBay for $100 cheaper to me. And then I'll buy it. Guys, I think it's the weather that's getting to me. It's getting kind of cold, kind of windy, a little blustery today. We've got a little bit of wind, got a little bit of rain. But I just don't understand it. I just don't understand this OSMO thing. I really don't. I'm trying to figure it out. And I just don't see the excitement in it. And guys, I have probably one of the greatest places to photograph in America, the OSMO camera. Should we buy it or shouldn't we buy it? I say, wait. I love America. So for Dad Random, I'm trying to figure out the OSMO. I can't figure it out. I just can't. Not this morning I can't. So anyway, there we go. Dad Random.